So welcome to Haven Road. The reason we're here today is this road is liable to flood at least twice a day when the river comes up. So we're going to just show you a video of going through both ways. You can get through as long as you go nice and slow. So we're now about to approach. Try not to drive on the path and things like the lorry in front. You can get through without doing something dangerous. Perfect. Once you get through, just try your brakes. If they're working, drive on as normal. What we're going to do is we're going to go round the roundabout and go through the other side, as the other side obviously is a little bit deeper. So we're going to take the fourth exit on the roundabout back on ourselves, back down Haven Road. So we're back down Haven Road. You can see a sign there saying road liable for flooding. As you approach, you're going to go nice and slow. Again, you do see people driving on the path and all sorts. Try not to do that, please. Paths are for people to walk on, not for cars to drive on. As you can see, the cars in front going through nice and slowly. I would say, however, it's any deeper than it is now, probably not go through. Just checking your brakes. If they work fine, drive on. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.